All right, so I'm going to give you a look within from inside the pond. So I'm inside the pond here. Uh, so yeah, inside the pond here, and I have a sump pump, submersible pump here with a check valve. That is a float valve. That float valve will make sure that if the water is empty, like when I'm cleaning it up, when the water goes down, it won't burn the pump. So that's a sump pump with an 1.5-inch pipe. So it's 1.5-inch pipe all the way going into the water fountain. So I can use the same submersible pump to pump the sludge out. So whenever in few months it'll have a lot of sludge, because I have koi fish, and koi fish is they produce a lot of waste. And the leaves from the fruit trees like the plum tree is falling into the pond. So that's why I have a sump pump. Like you see, I also have a lot of water plants, iris, that's yellow iris, lilies, lotus, and other plants, water plants as well. They're doing very well. You see, one of the pot was empty, so I took the lotus plants. One of these are lotus. So I took the lotus plant out and planted them, spread them around, so the other pots will also have plants. So I put that there. So all the pots now has plants. When you get pots for the pond, make sure you get the felt. There's a felt, you see. That's felt pots or bags for water plants is the best, because they don't decay like plastic. They hold because they're made of felt. It's water resistant, and the water plants love it because see, the roots can come out like that. So this is a plastic one, and it's not as good because the roots can't breathe. It'll try to come out from the top. This one, the roots can breathe. The roots can spread out. It's very breathable material, not like a plastic, you see. So that's why it's good to get felt material for your water plant. It works very well. You see, I just replanted this one here, this plant. It's like clay, little bit clay soil and some sand and some rocks to hold them down. That's how I do it. This plant produces good flowers. You see the flower? One of them just dropped. You see? They produce some beautiful flowers. Yeah. So that's why I like different types of water plants. They keep your water clean. See this iris, see how much they're growing. See the bag here, this is the felt bag. This is what I'm talking about. See, the plants can grow on those bags. You see, the plants can grow and the roots can come out of the felt bag. That's what you want for water plants. You want as much roots to come out from the bag, from the pot, from the container, because it will clean the water out. This acts like filtering systems. Okay, this will keep your water healthy for the fish, and it's part of this natural cycle. The nature knows how to do all that. So all you have to do is provide the right potting material or pot material, which is felt bags, and that will let the roots come out, and roots will breathe just like that. And they will thrive because the felt bag is not like plastic. It's not constraining them. The roots can just come out of it. That's how it looks. So once this lotus get bigger, the roots will come out from the sides, the small roots. The big roots will stay in. The small roots will come out, and that will help the plant breathe and thrive. Yeah, so far looking good. Let's put some more sand in there just to hold them in. So I'm refilling the water now. The water doesn't have to be sparkling clean. It's part of ponds are green for a reason. You know, it's a lot of living things in there, algae, things like that. But you can control algae a little bit with water plants and stuff. I'm not too worried about anything. It's just healthy. It's a healthy water. That's it. All matters. It's all biology in the water, okay? Alrighty.